Right now, 1 in 10 people has ears clogged with wax, and most have no idea it's stealing their hearing. Blocked ears are frustrating, but today I'll show you safe, natural ways to remove earwax right at home. Earwax is actually healthy. It protects your ear canal, but when too much builds up, it hardens and becomes a real problem. When wax hardens, it can muffle sound, cause hearing loss, ringing, and even dizziness. The biggest mistake? Cotton swabs. They push wax deeper and can even damage your eardrum. Ear candling is another dangerous trend. It can burn your skin and doesn't actually remove wax. So what actually works? Gentle, natural methods that soften wax and let it drain out on its own. Let me show you 3. Method 1. Warm olive oil. Slightly warm a few drops, lie on your side, and place them into the ear. Lie on your side for 5 to 10 minutes. The warm oil softens the hardened wax so it can loosen and slide out. Method 2. A saline rinse. Mix a teaspoon of salt in warm water, dip a cotton ball, and let a few drops fall into the ear. Method 3. Diluted hydrogen peroxide. A few drops in the ear canal create a gentle fizzing action that helps break down hardened wax. Use it no more than once or twice a day. Overdoing it can irritate the ear canal. One critical warning. Never use these if you have ear pain, drainage, or a possible ruptured eardrum. See a doctor first. One more tip. Don't overclean your ears. The canal is self-cleaning. Cleaning too often actually strips its natural protection and can cause more wax buildup, not less. Once a week, gently around the outer ear is plenty. Now let's see the warm olive oil method in action. Watch how it works deep inside the ear. Inside the ear canal, the warm oil coats the hardened wax, softening it drop by drop. After a few days, the softened wax loosens from the canal wall and begins to drain naturally on its own. Wow, I can actually hear clearly again. Beautiful results, and it's completely safe when done gently and correctly. So remember, warm olive oil, a saline rinse, or diluted hydrogen peroxide, 3 gentle, natural methods to soften and remove earwax safely at home. But always listen to your body. If pain, drainage, or hearing loss continues, please see a doctor. Your ears are worth protecting. Just to recap, olive oil, hydrogen peroxide, or a saline rinse. Pick one, not all 3 at once, and give it a few days to work before trying another. And if home methods don't clear it, or the wax keeps coming back, a doctor can remove it safely with irrigation or microsuction in minutes. No risk, no guesswork. There's no shame in getting a professional to just take care of it. If this helped you, share your experience in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more simple health and wellness tips.